Hey Beautyistic family, welcome back. Let's talk about something that's been buzzing in skincare circles lately, dermaplaning. It's that skin smoothing ritual that promises to sweep away peach fuzz and dead skin cells, leaving you with a fresh, radiant canvas. Today we're checking out the Billie Dermaplane Starter Kit, a reusable dermaplaner with 3 refill blades designed to give you salon-like exfoliation and brow shaping at home, all while being dermatologist-approved. Now, Billie's kit is pretty straightforward. It includes a reusable handle with a non-slip grip, 3 stainless steel blades with micro guards designed for safety, and a handy step-by-step guide that even beginners can follow. The blades are sharp, but built to protect your skin as you glide over your face to remove fine hairs and exfoliate. Plus, it's touted as perfect for shaping your brows, trimming chin and mustache hair with precision. I gave this kit a thorough try over the last couple of weeks, adding it into my evening routine twice a week. Right off the bat, I appreciated how the handle feels solid and ergonomic. No awkward slipping while you work. The blades cut cleanly but gently, so I never felt any irritation or cuts, which is a huge plus, especially for sensitive skin types like mine. Using it was surprisingly calming, almost meditative, and I like that the included guide breaks down the technique clearly. That said, dermaplaning isn't a rushed process. You need to take your time to avoid any mishaps. One real benefit I noticed was how much smoother my skin felt after use, and makeup applied more evenly with less need for heavy foundation. The exfoliation effect definitely brightened my complexion, and my skincare absorbed better, which is exactly what you want from a dermaplaning tool. However, the blades do need replacing after about 2 uses to maintain that sharpness and safety, so keep that in mind for ongoing costs. On the flip side, if you're new to dermaplaning, it might take a couple of sessions to feel fully confident with the technique. Also, if you have active acne or very sensitive, irritated skin, it's best to skip or consult a dermatologist first, since any tool that removes the top layer of skin needs to be used carefully. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The Billie Dermaplane Starter Kit offers a comfortable grip and well-designed blades that are skin-safe and effective. The inclusion of a clear instruction guide is fantastic, especially for beginners. It's compact, travel-friendly, and gives you a clean, polished look that rivals professional treatments. On the downside, regular blade replacement is necessary, which adds to the cost, and there's a slight learning curve for newbies to master the technique safely. When it comes to value, this kit falls into a mid-range price point. Considering the quality of the blades, reusable handle, and that it's dermatologist-approved, I think it offers solid value if you're serious about incorporating dermaplaning into your skincare routine. If you're on a tighter budget, manual dermaplaning tools exist at lower prices, but may lack the safety features Billie provides. Conversely, professional salon sessions can get pricey quickly, so this DIY option can save you money over time with proper care. The build quality is impressive. Stainless steel blades with micro guards for protection, and a sturdy handle that feels durable enough to last multiple refill cycles. In my experience, the blades maintain their edge well for the recommended 2 uses, but I'd avoid pushing beyond that to prevent dullness or skin irritation. While I haven't had to contact Billie's customer service directly, the brand is known for responsive support and clear product communication, which adds confidence in buying from them. If you've tried dermaplaning before or are curious to start, this Billie Starter Kit is a well-thought-out option that balances safety, ease, and performance nicely. Just be patient with the technique and always prioritize your skin's health. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the Billie Dermaplane Starter Kit or any dermaplaning tools yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing what works for you. You'll find a purchase link in the description or comments for easy access. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. This is Beautyistic, signing off.